Welcome to MonroeMotors.com. Here we have a 2019 Chevrolet Corvette Z06 3LZ and Corvette Yellow Racing Tintcoat on Kalahari interior. So I'll just start over at the rear of the vehicle. I'll let you have a look at the trunk area. So on this one, I do have the color matched targa top, which is removed, placed nicely here in the trunk. It's in great shape, as you can see. We'll just pull this up by pulling on either side. And this folds up. Underneath we do have a Corvette branded car cover. We've got the original brake coolers, the fuel filler tube, we've got a battery charger and the original window sticker, as well as the cargo netting there as well. So we'll lock this back into place. We do have the privacy screen, so there's one piece to it there. There's the second piece up on the top. And I'll just go ahead and close the trunk. It does have soft close, so I'll simply press and it will pull itself shut. We've got the nice Z06 carbon flash metallic rear spoiler with the center wicker bell piece, which looks great. We've got the nice chrome badge package. We've got LED taillights, and we've got the nice NPP performance exhaust. So on the exhaust, the two outer ports have dampers on them that open and close electronically to make the exhaust louder or quieter based on your setting. So I'll shift around this side here, let you have a look at the rear wheel. So it's got the nice chrome wheels, we've got the red calipers, painted rotors, and nice Michelin tires on there. Along the side here, we've got the side skirts, which are also done in carbon flash metallic. And on our door panel, we've got the black with the nice Kalahari accented color with the baseball stitching. We've got power windows, power locks, electronic door release, and a nice 10-speaker Bose stereo. Here's the kick plate on the passenger side. It's in really good shape, as you can see. And for our power seat, we've got power 4, aft, up, down, power recline, lumbar, and side bolster adjustments. And I'm just going to go ahead and scan up this seat so you can see the condition. Awesome. So as I get in, just have a look in the door frame, nice and tidy. For the passenger, we've got heated and cooled seat controls here, temperature display and temperature control. In the glove box, we've got the books, so that's great. And nice Kalahari with the black. Kalahari baseball stitching, and with the 3LZ you do get the Alcantara suede A-pillars as well. So we'll hop out and we'll close this side up, and I'll just step to the back of the vehicle and we'll move along this side of the car so you can see the condition. And here we are at the front. So at the front we've got the nice carbon flash metallic vent insert with the Z06 badging. We've got our nice chrome front wheel. We've got the big two-piece brakes, red calipers, and nice Michelin tires. Under the hood, we've got a V8 6.2-liter motor, which is 650 horsepower, 650 foot-pounds of torque, and that's paired to an 8-speed automatic transmission. And as you can see, everything's tidy, nice and clean. In the corner here, we do have our dry sump oil system with the dipstick here. Down here, we've got the cable that goes to the strut tower for the adjustable mag ride suspension. And then also you get a rear diff cooler and a transmission cooler with the Z06. There's the Z06 branded hood liner, looks good. And we'll go ahead, we'll close this up and we'll have a look from the front. Here it is from the front. It's got the nice Corvette Racing logo hood stinger stripe. We've got the carbon flash metallic vent. We've got our chrome badge here. We've got the nice black housing, projector HID headlights, LED daytime running lights, LED turn signals. Along the bottom here, we've got the stage 2 front spoiler, which is done in carbon flash metallic as well. It's in great shape here, as you can see. And it's got the side winglets to match as well. On the front here, the bumper and the hood are wrapped in 3M protective film. There is one little mark here in the 3M, which we can touch up. Won't be perfect, but it is there, and we do want to share that with you. Down here, there's little tiny pin size head ones, nothing major. Just really that one on the side there, and there's a skip here in the 3M. It's in the 3M, it's not through, so that's great. Other than that, it looks absolutely fantastic. What a stunning looking car. I love the carbon flash metallic accents against the yellow with the Kalahari. What a great color combo. So we'll shift around, we'll have a look at the other front wheel. So there it is, again, nice chrome wheels, red calipers, two-piece painted rotors, and nice Michelin tires. And same thing back here. Awesome, so we'll move on to the driver's side. So at the driver's side, we've got our power windows, we've got our power locks, we've got 2-user programmable memory, programmable exit button, electronic door release, 10-speaker Bose stereo, nice Kalahari accents. And here's the kick plate on the driver's side. It's in really good shape. A few little minor scuffs there at the front, which are expected. And we've got our power seat, power fore, aft, up, down, power recline, lumbar, and side bolster adjustments. And again, I'm just gonna scan this seat so you can see the condition. Awesome, so as we get in, just have a look in the door frame, nice and clean, and we'll get in, we'll fire this one up. Right, there we are. So in terms of kilometers, we have 19,226, nice and low, no warning lights or issues there on the dash. On this side here, we've got our cruise control buttons, we've got favorites or track change, we have the nice Z06 with the carbon fiber inlay there, we've got volume keys on this side, and we've got our arrow keys which work the dash. So when I hit the arrow, we get options, nav, phone, audio, performance, and info, telephone hang up, telephone answer, and voice command, paddle shifters plus and minus on this side, nice Kalahari stitching in the center of the steering wheel. And over on this side here, we've got heads-up display, we've got power tilt and telescopic steering, power mirrors, trunk release, and motion alarm on and off. I'll just show you the heads-up display here on the windscreen. So there it is, and just focus in on that for you so you can see. And we can also shift through the different screens that you can display. So that's great. Over on this side here, you got push button start. Over here, we've got behind screen storage with a USB port. Here's our screen. So you got audio, which is AM, FM, Sirius XM, Bluetooth streaming, USB auxiliary line in. You got telephone controls. We've got projection, which is Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. So with your compatible phone, you can display your phone on the screen, which is super cool. So here's your nav, full factory navigation, settings, and PDR. PDR is your performance data recorder. So there's actually a camera just up there in front of the rearview mirror in that hole there, which will allow you to record your track times and driving and stuff like that to an SD card. Over here we've got cameras. So there's your front curve view cameras, there's your reverse camera, and if I put it into gear, let's see here, reverse, there it is. So there's your backup camera, and there's your front cameras by shifting the gear. Down below we've got temperature control, so driver's side, passenger controls, secondary controls for the heated and cooled seat on the passenger side, primary controls for the driver, and we've got our Z06 650 horsepower, 650 foot-pounds of torque badging. There's your 8-speed automatic shifter with leather-wrapped boot with the nice baseball stitching, and we've got our mode selector. So when we twist the mode selector, we get track, weather, eco, touring, and sport, and back to track. So that's from shifting that. You also have electronic parking brake, cup holders, 12-volt socket, auto-dimming rearview mirror, garage remote control buttons, auto-dimming driver's side mirror. And then in the center here, we've got 2 USB ports, auxiliary line in, and a 12-volt socket. Fantastic. So we'll just hop out now with it running. We'll have a look and a listen. What an awesome machine. Great sound. And I'll just show you here from the front with the headlights on. There it is, sharp looking car. And we'll move along this side of the vehicle so you can see the condition. Looks great. And here we are at the back. Nice rumble to it. And there you have it, folks, 2019 Chevrolet Corvette Z06 3LZ Corvette Yellow Racing Tintcoat here and available at MonroeMotors.com. Come on down and have a look at this one for yourself. Look forward to seeing you real soon.